We all dream of it, that radiant, youthful glow that seems to defy time. Achieving healthy, vibrant skin is a journey, not a destination. It requires dedication, the right knowledge, and a sprinkle of skincare magic. Enter retinol, a powerhouse ingredient that has taken the beauty world by storm. Throughout history, civilizations have sought the secret to youthful skin. From Cleopatra's legendary milk baths to ancient Chinese herbal remedies, the quest for an ageless complexion has been relentless. Today, we stand on the precipice of groundbreaking skincare advancements, and retinol is leading the charge. Retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, is more than just another skincare fad. It's a powerhouse ingredient that has stood the test of time in the world of dermatology. It's a scientifically proven ingredient that works on a cellular level to rejuvenate your skin. By penetrating deep into the skin layers, it promotes cell turnover and renewal. Imagine a construction crew working tirelessly to repair and rebuild your skin's foundation from the inside out. That's retinol in action. It meticulously repairs damaged cells and stimulates the production of new, healthy ones. Once applied to the skin, retinol converts to retinoic acid, its active form. This transformation is crucial for its effectiveness. Retinoic acid works its magic by boosting collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin's elasticity and firmness. Collagen is the key protein that keeps your skin looking plump and youthful. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your skin taut and youthful. Without it, skin would sag and lose its youthful appearance. Retinol helps fortify this scaffolding, reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Over time, consistent use of retinol can lead to a smoother, more even complexion, making it a true skincare superstar. Retinol is a multitasking marvel, effectively addressing a multitude of skin concerns. If you're battling the visible signs of aging, retinol is your secret weapon. It diminishes fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, revealing smoother, more even-toned skin. But that's not all. Retinol is also a formidable opponent against acne. It unclogs pores, reduces inflammation, and prevents future breakouts, leaving your skin clearer and healthier. Additionally, retinol improves skin texture and minimizes the appearance of pores, giving you a flawless, airbrushed finish. Section 4. Navigating retinol, a guide for every age. Incorporating retinol into your skincare routine is a journey, and it's essential to start slowly and listen to your skin. Retinol can be a powerful ally in your skincare arsenal, but it requires patience and understanding. For those new to retinol, begin with a low concentration, like 0.01% or 0.03%, and gradually increase the strength as your skin builds tolerance. This gradual approach helps minimize irritation and allows your skin to adapt. Here's a simple guide for incorporating retinol into your routine based on your age, tailored to meet the unique needs of your skin at different stages of life. Late 20s, start with a gentle retinol product twice a week. This is the perfect time to introduce your skin to retinol, helping to maintain its youthful glow. 30s, gradually increase usage to 3 times a week. Remember, consistency is key. This decade is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and combating early signs of aging. Section 5. Retinol 101. Mastering the art of application. Using retinol effectively requires a little finesse and understanding of its properties. Always apply retinol to clean, dry skin in the evening, as sunlight can degrade its potency and reduce its effectiveness. Start by dispensing a pea-sized amount and gently massage it into your skin, avoiding the delicate eye area to prevent irritation. Since retinol can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun, diligent sun protection is non-negotiable. This means wearing sunscreen daily. Wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Additionally, be patient. It can take several weeks or even months to see noticeable results from retinol. Consistency is key, and over time you will see improvements in skin texture and tone. Section 6. Embrace the retinol revolution. Embracing retinol is like unlocking a treasure chest of skincare benefits. It's a transformative ingredient that can help you achieve your skincare goals, whether you're seeking to defy aging, combat acne, or simply enhance your natural radiance. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a race. Incorporate retinol gradually, prioritize sun protection, and be patient with the process. With consistent use and a little TLC, you'll be amazed by the transformative power of retinol. Unlock the secrets of this skincare superstar and embark on your journey to healthier, more youthful-looking skin.